Here are 5 ideas to leverage the power of your autoresponder. Most people who have an email marketing platform don't make the most of it by leveraging the autoresponder features. If you are new to internet marketing, you might ask, what is an autoresponder? There are 2 main types of email you can create in most email marketing platforms. They are broadcast emails and autoresponder emails, also referred to as follow-up emails. Broadcast emails, as the name suggests, are sent out like TV news broadcasts, giving the most current information about your business or time-sensitive information and offers, such as a Black Friday sale. Autoresponders, as the name suggests, are sent out automatically according to a predetermined schedule. The emails are created and sent out as soon as there is a triggering event. The first triggering event will be when a person registers for your list. The next triggers will be set by you. You decide how many days apart you want the messages that get stored in a sequence in the autoresponder to get sent out, such as 1, 2, 3 days apart and so on, and the autoresponder will do the rest. So, you might ask, what are some of the best ways to use an autoresponder? To start off, you should automate your marketing. An autoresponder makes your email marketing really easy, because all you have to do is set up the email once and it will keep on working for you over and over again, marketing to every new person who subscribes to your list. If you create more than one list, you can have more than one autoresponder. If possible, create an e-course or series. E-courses are very popular, so are series. They are both a number of emails linked together with a beginning, middle and end to the course or series. A 7-day group of autoresponder emails will get more attention than a one-off broadcast email, because you are boosting the chances of a better open email rate if people on your list like the series and want to learn more. An e-course is the perfect way to entice people to come onto your list. Help prospective customers get to know you. Once a person is on your list, help them get to know your brand and business so they can see you are worth paying attention to. Make your welcome email count as part of the course and create links to great content so you can drive them to your site. Build a relationship with your target audience. Once people are on the list, an autoresponder will help your subscribers get to know you better. They can learn about your business mission, see your helpful information and learn more about your products and services. Market your existing products in rotation. If you have been in business for a while, you probably have a number of products you wish to sell. If you have a very large number, you could market by category. Each email you send provides a context for a link to a product related to that content. You can also send sales letter type emails if you wish, as long as your autoresponder does not become filled with promotional emails and nothing else. Now that you know how to leverage the power of your autoresponder, try one or more of these methods and see what a difference it makes to your marketing success.